Hi, today I will explain to you the steps in an engineering design process. What is engineering design process? Engineering design process is a series of steps that engineering teams use to guide them as they solve problems. The design process is cyclical, meaning that engineers repeat the steps as many times as needed, making improvements along the way. Hence, without further ado, let us begin. In the first process, you will need to identify the problem. For example, patients may be elderly, adults, or children who suffer sicknesses or inabilities such as stroke and diabetes patients, prolonged sitting, and those who are unable to stand or walk. After identifying the problem, let's proceed to the next process, which is to come up with a solution. And the solution is a geriatric chair, also known as Geri chair. For the third process, you should list down the product's existing attributes and materials, which is in this case for the armrest, backrest, and seat, PVC leather, fox leather, and nylon are used. For the frame structure, it is made up of plastic-coated metals so as to withstand stresses or force acting upon or within it. And for the tires, the material used is rubber, footrest, wood, and lastly, the tray table is made up of plastic with two cup components. Up next, we did some improvements upon the products, such as by adding buttons for adjusting the height of the seat and also its backrest position. Footrest made of rubber supported with plastic coated metal for lightweight and safety. Braking system similar to the ones of airport luggage trolleys, and having elongated armrests with cup holders. We also decided that the product should be of low maintenance and durable, with water resistant and anti-slippery finishes. After that, you have come to the fifth process, which is the design of the product. This is the original product, and this is the finalized product that we have modified. Now, we will go to the next process, which is to build a prototype of the product design. 3D printing, which is also known as additive process. To begin the 3D printing, first you must have a virtual design of your product, followed by creating a 3D file which you can surf on the internet, or you could come out with a design of your own. Next, you should send it to the 3D printer, and lastly, it will be processed by adding layer by layer each to form the mock-up of the product. After product is printed, you will need to test and evaluate the mock-up to see whether if it meets our design considerations of safety, reliability, usability, durability, and the rigidity of the whole product structure. At this stage, it determines whether the product is ready for production. Lastly, if it is ready, you may now release for production making. Thank you.